Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we are going to talk about how to weatherproof your backyard picnic table. This video will take you through a step-by-step guide on how to keep your outdoor picnic table in good condition, so make sure you stick around for that. Clean the table. First and foremost, ensure you start the process on a clean surface. Cleaning the picnic table involves removing any food remains, twigs, bird excretion, mold growth, and any other debris stuck on the table. You can use a soft brush or a putty knife to scrape off the debris. Use a mold-removing chemical to get rid of stubborn mold stains. When done, remember to thoroughly rinse off the picnic table and let it dry before doing anything else. Sand the surface of the picnic table. The purpose of sanding the table is to remove the old finish, smooth out the rough spots, and open the wood pores to enable it to take in the sealant more effectively. For this process, you will use a sandpaper. Depending on the condition of your table, you might need to start with a rough grit sandpaper and work your way to the fine grit sandpaper to achieve the desired smoothness. Be careful not to damage the table by over-sanding. When done, clean out the wood debris with a damp cloth to get a clean surface to work on. Apply the sealant. The purpose of the sealant is to protect the picnic table from adverse weather like extreme sunlight, moisture, and the natural wear and tear of wood. Since it is a backyard table, we recommend using an outdoor wood sealant or wood stain. You can use a foam brush, a paintbrush, or a paint sprayer to apply the sealant. Do not forget to seal the corners, under the table, and areas with rough patches. Also consider adding extra coats of sealant to get the best color level and offer additional protection. Remember to allow each layer to dry before applying the next coat to achieve a clean and smooth finish. So there you have it. Weatherproofing your backyard picnic table should be very easy so that you protect it from adverse weather conditions. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.